Okay, hello you guys. It is the first time I'm talking to you in this vlog, but today we're gonna do a little bit of a shopping thrift vlog. I'm not really sure what the title is gonna be called just yet, but today I'm actually heading downtown because I'm gonna do a little bit of thrift shopping. We're gonna go along Queen Street and check out some of the shops, because if you watched my last video you know that I'm kind of in the process of like revamping my style a little bit, and I'm going for a 90s sitcom early 2000s vibe, and I feel like the thrift stores and the secondhand shops are the perfect place to find some clothes. So that's where we're going. I'm actually going to be meeting my cousin down there, so we'll have a cute little duo day, and yeah, I'll take you along with me for that, and maybe for the next few days this weekend, but we'll see. But I'm all dressed and ready to go. Outfit's nothing crazy, but I'll show you anyways. Cardigan is from Old Navy. This tank top I actually just randomly found in my closet today, but it's from Old Navy as well. And then these jeans, again, if you've watched my last video, I actually thrifted them. They're from a Goldie. They're these like kind of baggy jean vibe, not super baggy. I'm still kind of on the hunt for those, but I feel like these do for now. But anyways, I'm gonna head out, grab whichever train is the next one, and we'll head downtown, and the next time you'll see me, I'll be at Union or on the train or seeing Jewel, but I don't know. Let's go have ourselves a day. Guys, I don't know if you can see me, but I'm finally downtown and I'm heading to the first thrift store, which is Black Market on Queen Street. So let's go. We'll meet Jewel there. Let's go thrift shopping. It's like too small, but I'm also like I would wear something under this. Yeah. But I feel like I wish there was like this all around, because then it would make this part like a little tighter too, you know what I mean? Yeah. Don't film me in my Okay, we are pretty much finished shopping, more or less. So now we're gonna go to get some food because we're both starving. How would you say you're shopping?
I got a lot of good stuff and I'm happy. Like, yeah, I'm trying to align with my Pinterest board.
Yeah.
So I feel good. How about you?
I feel good too. I also like the, what was it? Jean jacket I got?
Oh yeah,
I'm glad you convinced me.
What did I say? I was like 10 out of 10.
I know. I wasn't gonna get it at first, but I need a jean jacket, and sometimes you just have to spend the money because I feel like you're just gonna keep looking.
How much was it again?
It was like, came up to like 65. So yeah, still pretty good.
I get Polynesian and chicken. I'm like, I have to have both because I like one for the fries and I like the other one. I'm sorry.
Okay, you guys, I literally just walked in, but I want to show you a quick haul from today because I filmed a little bit, but I don't know how much I actually was able to film. But I ended up getting a few things, so I'll show you. First thing is this denim jacket. We went to, I want to say, I actually don't remember. I'll put the title here, but that's where I got this denim jacket. It's an extra large. It's by the brand Big Mac, and it was this thrift store slash vintage shop was a little bit more pricey because it was a little bit more curated selections, but I was like, I couldn't pass it up. I do need a new denim jacket anyways, so I was just like, let me get it. I am trying to invest in clothes that I actually need and want instead of just like buying little things here and there. So I actually did get the denim jacket and it's so nice. It's thick, it's great quality. So yeah, I honestly popped it on today because it was getting a little bit windy and chilly, but definitely gonna do that, wash that tomorrow for my laundry. Then we went to this other thrift store. It's called Mama Loves Vintage, I'm pretty sure. No, Mama Loves You, which is a vintage store. And I got this cute little denim vest. I got a lot of denim in this haul. And I don't know if you can see, but it has these little like bears sitting on a dock. And I thought it was so cute. And I was like buttoned up, tucked up into some like jeans, or even like with a little denim skirt and a little like red bandana. So cute. So that's the vision for this. I love the bears sitting on the bay. Adorable. So I got that. Again, a little bit more pricey for vintage, but it was like a curated store. Then I got, was it two things from Black Market. I got this tiny little denim skirt. Like I said, a lot of denim. It was honestly $10, so I was like, you can't really go wrong. It's by the brand Angel. I've never heard of it before, but again, 10 bucks. It's super cute. It is kind of short, but I feel like just a cute little, you can't go wrong with a cute little mini micro skirt. And I feel like going out, dress it up, dress it down. It's cute. And I love the little belt loops because it fits perfectly, but there is some room, so I could wear a little belt just to like make it zhuzh it up a little bit. Can't go wrong. A lot of denim. And then the last thing I got is something that I actually was thinking about getting, and it's a little slip, pajama slip. I really want to invest in some really nice PJs just for the summertime, especially because it gets so hot here, but also just when I go to school next year and I have my little apartment, I want to be walking around in like cute loungewear. So I got this little like nightgown. It's not super short or anything. It's actually quite a good length. So truthfully, I was gonna say maybe you could wear it out, but I'm looking at it, it's a little bit see-through. But yeah, very cute for sleeping. I can't wait to wash that and have that. So that's the haul. Yeah, I didn't get any like tops, unfortunately, like little blouses and things. I do have some. When I was getting my outfit together today, I did see a few, but yeah, it's not what I was looking for, unfortunately. So I may have to do a little shop at Shein. So yeah, but at least I've covered all my bases. I've gone thrift shopping several times. I've gone to the stores, so I tried. But I am looking forward to doing some more thrift shopping. There's a few other stores that I didn't get to today because if you live in Toronto, you know, like the thrift stores are all kind of like around the city, and Toronto is a little bit big, so it's kind of hard to get to them all in one day. So in the future, I'm gonna go towards like the east side and visit some of the other ones that I saw on TikTok. But yeah, I did really enjoy it. It was just a lot more fun, I think, than going to the actual mall, even though I do love a mall day, but I'm really into the thrifting this time around. So anyway, all that yapping, I'm gonna go ahead and shower and take my makeup off, have a late dinner, and I don't really know what I'm gonna do with my hair. I'm supposed to wash it tomorrow. So usually I do like a deep treatment, not deep treatment, a pre-poo. I might do it today just because this weekend's actually a long weekend, so I do have a little bit of extra time. But yeah, I just want to pop in and say hello, that I'm back. So I'm gonna go get on ready, and I don't know if I'll see you again tonight. And if I don't see you again tonight, I'll see you tomorrow. So bye-bye. Hey, good morning you guys. It is the next day and I actually already washed and deep conditioned my hair and braided it and everything. It's now noon, so it's been some time, but I'm actually gonna head out today because I need to go to Walmart. I need to pick up a few things for my laundry because I'm not super impressed by how my laundry is smelling. It just doesn't really smell anything. Sometimes I feel like I can still smell my perfume on my clothes, which I'm not a fan of. So I need to go grab a few things, some detergent, some boosters, and some white vinegar and stuff. So I'm gonna go do that, do a little walk in the meantime. But yeah, yesterday was just a chill night, I guess. After I ended the vlog, I just had dinner and pre-pooed my hair and went to sleep. So yeah, I'm just gonna continue the vlog today. For the rest of the day, I don't really know what I'm gonna do. Probably just chill. I think a little bit later I have to go to the grocery store because it's closed tomorrow because it's Victoria Day. Pick up a few things for the week. But other than that, I'm just probably gonna be chilling, get started on editing this vlog. And yeah, so let's go out, let's go run some errands, and yeah. Okay, I'm in my laundry room. I came back from Walmart and I'm gonna show you the little laundry combo that I saw online. Hopefully it worked. I've already put it in the washing machine, but I got the Downy Light Ocean Mist boosters. They do smell really good, so I got that. It's actually a bigger load of laundry than I thought it would be, so I'm going to put a little bit more of the scent boosters in there just to make sure I get everything. Then I'm going to use this Persil laundry detergent. This is the Everyday Clean, the Intense Fresh. I heard some good reviews about this, and I'm actually just going to use about half a amount, and then I'm actually going to use a bit of an old trick. I'm going to use half a cup of white vinegar as well because I heard this makes your clothes really soft and it's really good at getting like smell and odor out. So I'm going to try this, and then I'm just going to pour it in the dish. I always wash on cold so that the colors don't bleed. So updates on my laundry, I'll tell you how it goes later. So anyways, I'm gonna go eat lunch because I'm starving, and I'll pick you guys up when I do something else. Okay guys, I am finally up. After I went to Walmart, I took a fat nap. I was so tired. Now we're gonna go grocery shopping, get some stuff for the week, and then I'm gonna work out later. But first, let's get some food and get that sorted out. So let's go. I'm never gonna financially recover from this grocery haul.
Good. If your neck is sore, you can lower your head down. If not, keep that eye gaze forward to protect higher if you feel that your back is leaving the mat. Making sure that that lower back is flat, your eye gaze forward and your chin to your chest. Crunch across and back down again. You're going to crunch in and across, elbow to opposite knee, and then straighten. Breath out as you come up, breath in as you lower. Piece of fruit. Good. Now we're going to go up a level, straightening the leg. Pull in 1, 2, and change. Follow your hand with your eyes. Eyes as you open and close. Back 8, 7, 6, 5. Halfway. 4, 3, 2, 1 movement. Then we're done. I feel it too. I'm shaking